Hi everyone. Welcome back to Business Breakdown, where we help you turn your business ideas into reality. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to write a business plan in just 5 simple steps. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or looking to refine your existing plan, this guide is for you. Step 1. The Executive Summary. This is a brief overview of your entire business plan. It should include a quick description of your business, what it does, and your mission. Highlight your key products or services, your target market, and your financial needs. For example, XYZ Company provides eco-friendly packaging solutions for small businesses. Our mission is to reduce plastic waste in the packaging industry. We target eco-conscious small business owners and require $100,000 in funding to expand our production facilities. Step 2. Company Description and Market Analysis. Describe what your business does and the market need it addresses. Identify your target market. Who are your ideal customers? Then analyze your competition. Who are your main competitors and what makes your business unique? For instance, our eco-friendly packaging targets small businesses looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Our main competitors are ABC Packaging and GreenPack, but we stand out with our customizable, affordable solutions. Step 3. Organization and products or services. Outline your business structure and introduce your key team members. Then, describe your products or services in detail. What makes them unique? How do they meet your customers' needs? For example, our team consists of industry experts in packaging and sustainability. We offer biodegradable packaging made from recycled materials, customizable to meet any business's needs. Step 4. Marketing and Sales Strategy. Explain how you will attract and retain customers. What marketing channels will you use? Outline your sales strategy and set clear sales goals. An example could be, we will use social media and content marketing to reach eco-conscious businesses. Our sales team will follow up with personalized pitches to convert leads into customers, aiming for a 20% increase in sales each quarter. Step 5. Financial Plan and Funding Request. Provide basic financial forecasts including income, cash flow, and balance sheets. Clearly specify how much funding you need and how you plan to use it. For instance, we project $500,000 in revenue within the first year, with a positive cash flow by month 6. We seek $100,000 in funding to scale our production and marketing efforts. And there you have it, a complete business plan in 5 simple steps. Remember, a solid business plan is your roadmap to success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Business Breakdown for more business tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and good luck with your business journey.